everyone, it's the Eclectic Candyman here today with a quick video on how to remove an automobile windshield wiper arm. Now, the thing you do not want to do is get under an arm after you've removed the nut on it with like a huge pry bar or a screwdriver. You can really damage the cowl or the windshield or the wiper itself. You want to use the right tool for the right job. So off of Amazon, I got these two wiper arm removal tools for less than $15. And depending on your application, you can use one or the other. The idea is that they get under, apply force on the underside of the wiper, pushing on the nut at the same time, and then it will lift the arm off. Now in my case, this happens to be a BMW 325i. This type of tool is too small and it won't reach into there. However, this tool works just fine. It'll grab from both sides and then press down. And then you've got this that will squeeze these two arms in. So what you want to do is get the two arms under the lips of the arm with this bolt perpendicular and centered. Once you have the arms under, you can screw this down, which underneath will bring the two arms in. And once that's tightened down, you can feel it tight, you can just begin to turn this top part right here. And what that will do, again, you want to make sure that it's perpendicular so you're not moving the wiper blade at an odd angle. And so I've got a good fix on it. And you'll just want to turn it. It does take a little bit of effort. There we go. And I highly recommend that silicone or PB Blaster. It makes it a lot smoother. I can see that coming right on up super easily. Really nice. Once I get to the top, loosen the arms back up. And if it hasn't popped off fully already, you can reposition it and do it again until it comes off. So I've repositioned the arms a little bit just to get that last little bit off. And then in this case, what's pushing on the bolt has bottomed out. And then the rest, we can just pry this right off because it's right at the top. Just take a glove in case it pops off. It should just gently, there we go. Came right off, and I've got my wiper arm correctly and undamaged. Anyway, using the right tool for the job is always important. Save yourself damaged parts. Get this. Again, I got two of them off of Amazon, less than $15. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, this is the Eclectic Candyman. We'll see you later.